It won't open, look. And it won't jiggle.
Hi, Deadlock's here again, doing another Sunday challenge where we're having a run at the moment of handcuff escapes where I escape with the Parker pick and Mrs. Deadlock's escapes with a key.
You mean a run of where you cheat?
We'll see who does it the fastest, and the fastest gets a point. Currently we are on 2 points to Mrs. Deadlock's, 1 point to me, because apparently I cheated last week.
You did cheat.
I did not cheat.
You did cheat.
But either way,
Because you're a cheater pumpkin here.
I forgot to mention, last week I went first because Pocket Woman requested that I go first, because apparently I can cheat by 1 second somehow.
You could cheat even worse, come first.
No.
You did.
So, I am double locked. I'm going first again, because that was requested. Start my timer when you are ready, Mrs. Deadlocks.
3, 2, 1. Oh, that's ridiculously fast.
Call that a minute 19.
I just said minute 18 because you stopped it yourself. I didn't stop it.
Okay, I'll call that a minute 18. You have a minute 18 to beat.
Where's the thingies on this one?
The thingies?
The holes.
Where?
Yeah, where's the other holes?
What are the holes?
Them the only holes?
Keyways?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then I want them at the front. Gently. Such a violent man.
Okay, and we'll get this facing this way. And where's the key?
My hand.
Double locks on. Just because I got accused of it last time. We'll reset. Reset to 0. That is on camera. And you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh. Ah! Why won't it turn? I just put the double lock go back on.
You can't put the double lock on with the kiwi on those ones.
You can't.
You can't.
You can, because watch, it's off. And then it's on again. Ow! And it's off. Why won't it open? It will not open! Why is this key not working? It's broken, I swear. So the key's in. Is this the stupid one with the stupid keyway with the 2 stupid poly things?
That has 3 poles.
Well, however many poles. It's got too many poles. I can't open it. I don't like it. I can't open it. And,
Right, we're already up to a minute 20.
No! I haven't even got the thing off. Will not turn. The key is broken.
Key's not broken.
It must be.
Do you want to try the Parker pick?
I can't do it.
Did you forfeit?
No. Is this the one I struggled with last time?
Yes.
I put the double lock back on. No, I have. Oh.
So that's 1 minute 58.
That's stupid.
Did you click that way? Oh, you figured it out now. No cheating involved.
It's not fair.
2-all.
It's not fair.
2-all.
It's not fair. That key's defective. You use a defective key. No, because you've got a trick key. You've got a trick key.
This is the key that you were using. You've seen us pick it up from where you put it.
You just magically swapped it with magic tricks. You magically swapped it with magic tricks. You're a cheater. But it popped back out and then it popped back in again.
I don't know how you did that. Right, so it's in. It's in. It's popped out. I did see you make that go back in with the keyway, and I have no idea how you did it.
My superpower. Screw up locks. I can't even open them up with a key.
You can't open them with the key, but you can lock them more. So that's 2-all.
That means I'm never going to escape if I get kidnapped. You could just give me the key and it would take this so long to get out.
So that's 2-all. That's all from us.
I'm sad.
See you next time.
Bye.